Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Where to Look for Part-Time Jobs workshop. My name is Karen, and I am the Associate Counselor here at Plexuss. In this workshop, I am going to go over some resources that you all can use to look for part-time jobs while you are still in high school. So with that said, let's go ahead and get started. Let's start off with the most common way to search for jobs, which is through the internet. Here are some useful websites to help you that you can use throughout your job search. Snagajob.com, Monster.com, Indeed.com, and ZipRecruiter.com. The next way someone can look for jobs is through flyers. Flyers for jobs are usually posted in places like libraries, like your local library, community centers, or they can also be found in your high school billboards. For example, there might be some billboards across your high school where some students or some staff may be posting that they are hiring for some positions around your school community. Social media. This one is also through the internet, which, as I mentioned before, it is the most common way to get a part-time job, and it is the most common way for people to look for a job. And some social media pages that you can use for your job search are LinkedIn.com, Facebook.com, and Twitter.com. LinkedIn is probably one of my favorites from the list because it is more focused on getting a job overall, and on the page you are able to build a profile with all of your skills on the site, and I guess it can be related to an online resume. And there are also recruiters on the site that you can potentially contact, or they can get in contact with you to see if you are a good fit for a position. And it's not only for jobs, it can also be used for internships and volunteer opportunities. And I know Facebook has a job search engine on their website as well, but you can also use Facebook and Twitter or other social media pages to see if maybe one of your friends has shared like a posting of something that they are hiring, or you may know of someone who knows someone that is hiring for a job. The next one is through personal contacts. Personal contacts are great because that means that you are personally referred to by someone for a job. You can reach out to family members, you can reach out to friends of family members, your teachers, your academic counselor, any school staff, or your friends. And finally, we have start your own business. I know that maybe you're probably thinking that maybe you are too young to start your own business, but that is not true because you can do a variety of things, and it also looks great on college applications. And some examples of businesses that you can start while you are still in high school are a babysitting business, pet sitting, tutoring, car washing, dog walking, cleaning, running errands for someone, or a lawn mowing business. All right, we have reached the end of the workshop of where to look for part-time jobs. Thank you everybody for sticking around. Before I leave, I want to let you all know to please download our Plexuss app. If you download our app, you'll be able to receive instant notifications from my counselor. We would also very much appreciate it if you rate it and review our app on the App Store or Google Play. We very much appreciate any feedback you're able to give us. And of course, chat with my counselor if you have any questions regarding this video, or if you would like to reach out about your specific journey to higher education. We are always happy to help with all of those questions as well. Thank you, everyone, and I encourage you all to check out our other workshops for college readiness here on our Plexuss YouTube page, Plexuss social media. You can go ahead and click on our page to see all of the other workshops that we have available. Bye, everyone.